something. How many apps are on your phone right now? 20, 40 or 60? You use them every day. Shopping, banking, food, chatting. Everything is on your phone. But here's something most people never think about. Every single one of those apps is connected to the internet. And everything that's connected to the internet can be attacked. That's not me trying to scare you. That's just the world we live in now. And today, I want to talk about something that protects you from all of this. It's called cybersecurity. Most people think it's complicated. It's not. Let me break it down for you. Okay, so imagine your house. Your house has a lock on the door. Maybe a grillee, maybe a watchman, maybe a CCTV camera. All of that is there to keep your house safe from people who should not be inside, right? Now think of your phone, your laptop, your bank account as your digital house. Everything important about you lives there. Your money, your photo, your personal details, your passwords. Cybersecurity is basically the lock, the grillee, the CCTV and the watchman. But for your digital life. It's a set of practices, tools and habits that protect your data, your devices from people who want to steal it from you, spy on you or damage your information. That's it. That's what cybersecurity means. It's just protection, but online. Now, who are you protecting yourself from and how do they actually get it? There are a few common ways hackers target you. Phishing. Someone sends you a message that looks real. Could be a text, an email, a WhatsApp message. Your bank account is blocked. Click here. You click, you enter your details, and now they have everything. That's phishing. They did not hack a system. They just tricked you. Fake apps and websites. Someone builds a shopping app or a website that looks completely real. You trust it. You buy something, you type in your card number. Except it's not real. All your details go straight to the hacker. Weak passwords. If your password is your name, your birthday, or 123456, I promise you, that's the first thing a hacker tries. It takes him about 3 seconds to get in. Public Wi-Fi. Free Wi-Fi at a cafe or airport feels like a blessing. But on a public Wi-Fi, someone sitting nearby can sometimes see everything you're doing online. Your logins, your chats, your banking, all of it. These are the most common ways people get attacked. And notice none of them require the hacker to be some genius in a dark room. Most of it is just taking advantage of the fact that we are not paying attention. Let me give you a quick example of how this actually plays out in real life. Imagine someone, let's call her Priya, sees a shopping app on Instagram. Big sale, great prices, nice design. She downloads it. She adds some items to her cart, types in a debit card number, hits pay, gets a confirmation, feels totally normal. But that app was fake. The moment she typed in her card details, those details were sent directly to whoever built that app. Not to any bank, not to any payment system, but to a hacker. 3 days later, rupees 47,000 gone from her account while she was sleeping. Priya is not someone who is careless. She's a smart person. But nobody had ever explained to her what a fake apps look like or what to check before trusting one. That's exactly why cybersecurity awareness matters. It's not about being a tech expert. It's about knowing what to look for. So what you can do about this? Here are 4 habits that most cybersecurity experts will tell you. And none of them require you to be technical. 1. Never click on random links in messages, even if it looks like it's from your bank. Go to the app directly, always. 2. Before downloading any app, check the reviews and who published it. A real app has a real company name. If it's vague or has 0 reviews, skip it. 3. Use strong passwords. Mix letters, numbers, and symbols, or use a passphrase. 3 random words together, and don't use the same password everywhere. 4. Enable two-factor authentication on your bank and email. That means even if someone gets into your password, they still can't get in without a second code that only comes to your phone. Small habits, huge difference. Cybersecurity sounds like a big scary word, but it's really not. It's just being careful online, the same way you are careful in real life. You would not open your door for a stranger and hand them your wallet. So don't do it online either. The more you know about this stuff, the harder you are to trick. It really is that simple. If this was useful, share it with one person in your life who is not very careful online. Could be your mom, your college friend, your colleague, because awareness is the first step. I'll keep breaking down these things to you in simple words in every week. Follow along so you don't miss it. Take care of yourselves online and offline. See you next time.